We now move to evolutionary process modeling. So prototyping, this is like the latest one, but this is evolution. So while evolution, you keep on evolving. The idea is evolving. Although in incremental you analyze, in rapid application you do that quickly. Team 1, team 2, team 3 delivers quickly, but here you do that very fast. So prototyping, spiral model, concurrent development. Concurrent means happening at the same time, spiral means coming back there, and prototyping, and these are the three evolutionary process which we are going to look. So if there's any question in an interview or an exam about what is evolutionary modeling, or what is concurrent modeling, or what is spiral modeling, or what is prototyping, you can quickly jump them and tell these are evolutionary, where you keep on evolving. If the requirements of the clients can change, you have a scope for that, you have a strategy for that. That is something that you have considered here. So that will help you give solution to these three models. Let's quickly go there and check them. So evolutionary process modeling, prototype, spiral, concurrent. So evolutionary is analyze, design, test, prototype. So this is the basic idea. You have initiation, analyze, design, test, implement, and prototype. So in all of these you generally want a prototype, but of course yes, in a prototype model there is more explicit. So to define evolutionary change in frequency over time, defined to be so this is like change in the client requirement over time. So going back, this is the prototype model: requirement, design, code, test. Requirement, design, code, test. Design, code, test, analysis, requirement. Now in total purpose of requirement is feasible, it is caplow. Only feature that in prototype that will have valuable return. Prototyping is often not used, that is fair development cost may become larger, however in some situations this is used. Basic reason for little common use of prototype is the cost involved is twice the approach. The advantage of user actively involved, disadvantage. So in any question you would, let me talk about this general strategy. So general strategy is whenever you talk something, you talk about advantages and disadvantages. General strategy. Spiral model, here the activities model organized as spiral. Look here, risk analysis, prototype, requirement, software requirement, design, validation, testing, integrating development plan. Now here you look, evaluate alternative, develop, next phase determining, commit, partition, simulation, modeling, benchmarking, determine modeling constraints. So this is a big model. So the on paper you should draw is spiral. I have an alternative chart for you, but before we go there, let's talk this. So goes here, goes here, goes here, goes here. Risk, prototype, software design, unit test, code, integration, acceptance. This will come detail higher. This will software requirement, validation, development plan, software design, validation, acceptance, integration, code, determine objective, and so on. So this is awesome. Then we have concurrent development. Concurrent process can be actually a series of major technical tasks. The activity has may be in one stage, similarly, other activities designed customer in analogous manner. So the important one here is spiral. I have some charts for you of spiral in that would be helpful. So risk analysis, object identification, test execution, planning and analysis. So first you plan and analyze. First you have define your objective, then plan analysis, then execute, and then risk analysis. Here, the bigger you have, this is the risk. Like this is the planning and analysis, and then we have the input. So design, validation, integration, development, requirement analysis. So that was about the evolutionary process modeling. You have spiral and you have concurrent. I'll talk a little bit about concurrent if that comes, but even if concurrent comes, we are going to talk about more of these things as well. So the concurrent process of major technical event tasks. The activity may be done and states notification. Similarly, other activities like design and analogous all activity conclude or design different set, for example. So you work parallelly on all those features. So that is called concurrent. This was about evolutionary process model.